Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Crypto Basics. In this video, we will be learning how to log into your VeraWallet account. To log into VeraWallet, launch open your web browser first and then type in verawallet.io and search. Once you end up in the official website for VeraWallet, go ahead and click on the login button at the top right hand corner. In this sign-in page, enter your email address and then your password associated with Vera. Type in your valid email first and then type in your password on the next field. If you don't remember your password, click the Forgot Password link and follow through the password reset instructions. But if you remember your password, you can type it down and click on Sign In. Complete the puzzle by sliding the puzzle piece in the correct piece, and then you will need to enter the two-factor authentication code sent to your authenticator app. Type down the authenticator and click Verify. Right after you do that, you will be able to sign in to your account. Choose between your wallet type and there you go. That is how you easily sign in or log in to VeraWallet. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.